In this video I'm going to show you how to delete apps on iOS 15. It's very simple and easy. I've got two ways for you, so let's begin. And the first way is to tap and hold on application and next select the remove app feature. Here tap on delete app and tap on delete to completely delete application from your iPhone. And there is another way. For that you need to get in your App Store and get in your profile right here at the top right. And here scroll down a little and you can get all the applications you have installed on this device, and you can delete any of them. Just make a swipe to the left and the delete option will appear right here at the right. And to delete this application I just tap here, tap delete, and that's it. The application was successfully deleted from my device. I hope it helps you, and before you go, please like and subscribe.